Hey guys, welcome to Simply Hike, and today we are taking a look at the North Face Thermal Gordon Lyons Hoodie. That's a long title. So this is a great hoodie style jacket kind of hoodie. It's kind of a bit of a hybrid. You've got the Thermoball technology, which is over the front here. Now what that is that's a synthetic material. So it's like a synthetic down. So it's just gonna keep you nice and warm on your chest and kind of your core body area. Which means if you're going for a bit of an autumn or a winter hike and there's a bit of a nip in the air, that's gonna keep you nice and warm. But other than that, you've got fleece material, nice and stretchy, and that's actually nice and soft to it. So yeah, as I say, other than that kind of the Thermoball technology at the front, it's pretty much a classic full zip hoodie. And let's take a closer look at some of the features. So you've got a nice collar on there. It's got a bit of protection on your neck. Again, the Thermoball technology is in that section as well, so that's going to stop any wind chill going into there. The zip itself is an exposed zip, but underneath that you do have a flush guard there, so that's going to prevent any wind chill going into your core body temperature. And then other than that, you've got your classic hip pockets on there. Secure zip, so whatever you pop in there, zip it up and it will stay safe and secure. And the pocket itself is pretty much that size, so it's quite varied. It's quite a good pocket for the actual design of the hoodie. Sleeves themselves, they've got a slight elastication as well, so again that's going to prevent any wind chill from going straight up your arm, but it's nice and subtle, it's nice and soft, it's not going to proper cram around your wrist. So yeah, that, as I say, that's just a nice little feature. Spin it round the back, what you'll notice, you've got the Thermoball technology in your shoulders as well, and it runs throughout the entire hood, so your top half really is going to be nice and warm due to the Thermoball technology. Hood itself is a pretty standard hood. There is elastication on the inside there. Sorry, cameraman, hope you grabbed that. So pull that in, that's just going to pull the top part of that hood around in there, so if it is a bit windy you can kind of pull it down and make yourself nice and snug in there. And again, the Thermoball technology is going to keep your head nice and warm. So other than that, actually on the back there you've just got your standard soft fleece lining, and again on the bottom you've just got a slight elastication, pretty much the standard things you get in a full zip hoodie. So you've got the great Thermoball technology that is going to keep your front nice and warm. It's a good fit because it's North Face, let's be honest with you, their fits are pretty cool, and you've got that nice fleece as well. So yeah, as I say, it's kind of a hybrid between a Thermoball down jacket and a fleece style hoodie. But yeah, it's a great all-rounder. Anyway, thanks for watching and happy trails. To figure out the right amount, you'll need to work out where you're going, how long for, and if there are any pickup points or shops along the way. If you plan to live out your pack, like if you were going to go wild camping, then anything up to 65 litres should be enough. Anything more than that is a tad overkill, and it means you'll be carrying more stuff than you should be. If your trip is for only a couple of days,